Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the differences between AutoCAD and REVIT. Both software are provided by Autodesk only. If you want to download this software, you can go to Autodesk site and you can download it. You can create one account and you can download it. Okay. So to start the differences between both the software, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my video. So let's start now. Let me open this both the software. So I have already opened here. See, this is the welcome screen of REVIT MEP, REVIT modeling software. This is BIM software. This is a BIM only. So building information model software, and you can create any types of model here in the REVIT. Okay. So to start the drawing in the REVIT, we need to take one template. So REVIT is providing the template, and most of the families are here in built family in the REVIT. So to start the drawing here, just click on the new and choose any of the template from here. See the construction template, architectural, structural, mechanical default. So I am choosing the mechanical template and click OK. Now you can start your drawing here. Okay. But in the AutoCAD, see, this is the welcome screen of AutoCAD. Okay. To start the drawing here in the AutoCAD, just you have to click here on the get started drawing. Just click it here, and you need to do the page setup, unit setup, and so many things here first to start the any drawing. Before you start any drawing, you need to do all these exercise. But in the REVIT there is inbuilt template is there. You just open the template and you start the drawing. But in the AutoCAD you cannot do like this. You need to do the page setup, unit setup, everything. Then you can start your drawing. Okay. So let's start the page setup and unit setup here. First of all, you need to do the unit setup. So type UN, enter, then select here decimal, then precision is 0, unit scale is millimeter, then OK. Then you have to set the limit. Type LIMITS, limit 0, upper and lower limit 0, 0, then 25,000 by 25,000. Just simply press enter, then zoom enter. The shortcut of zoom is Z, enter, then all enter. Okay. Let me prepare one layer, text. Now you do this dimension setting also. Go to this current layer and type D. Then you are going to here dimension style manager. Just click on standard and modify. Okay. Go to this unit decimal, then 0.0. Text is 200. And select arrow is also 200. Click OK. Then set current. Then close. So before you start any drawing here in the AutoCAD, you need to do all these exercise, then you can proceed the drawing. But in the REVIT, all these are not required. You simply take one template and start the drawing. So let me prepare one air terminal, supply air terminal, supply air diffuser. I am typing rectangle, REC, then T, enter, 600, then 600, width and height, enter. Okay. Change this color, select these, go to this property, change the color. Okay, take another color. I am taking blue. Okay, match this, then offset 50 inside multiple times. Very small. Delete this. Offset 50 inside multiple. Okay, draw on leader line. LE. Just mirror this. Match this. Type MA. Then match this. Then use array command. Type AR. Select the object. Polar array. Then center point. Number of item 4. Enter. Just make the block of this item. Just select this. Control Shift C. Enter point. Control Shift V. It's block already. Okay. So shortcut command of block. I have created one item here in the AutoCAD. Let me select the air terminal here in the REVIT also. Go to the system. Click on air terminal and load. You can load it from here. Apply cylinder diffuser different and then open. Okay. You can see here I already loaded here the supply ceiling diffuser. The first command we are going to learn that copy command in both the software REVIT and AutoCAD. So to use the copy command, just select this item, click on copy, take the center point, copied it. Okay, you can copy it multiple times. Shortcut of copy is just simply select CO, no need to press enter, select a point and copy. Okay, how we are using this copy command in REVIT. We no need to press the enter here in the REVIT, but in the AutoCAD, just select this, type CO, then enter, select the center point or any point, and you can copy. See, just select this, go to your copy command, select the point, then you can copy it. Okay, now move command. To use the move command, just select this item, click on move. So you can see here, click on move and select any point. You can move the object anywhere. If you want to move this side, right, left, up, down, you can move. Okay, shortcut of move command is MB. Select this item, type MB. You can see this item is highlighted. Select any point and just move up, down, left, right, anywhere. Okay, how we are using the move command. The shortcut of move command in REVIT is MB, but in the AutoCAD the shortcut of move command is M only. Okay, let's use the move command in AutoCAD. Select the item, type M, enter, select any point, you can move. Okay, one more option, select the item, click here in the panel toolbar. You can see here in the modify panel there are move command is given there. Just select this and select any point, then you can move. Okay, so how we are using this move command in both the software. So let's see. Rotate command. Okay, so let me draw one rectangle to learn about rotate command. I'm drawing a rectangle. To use the rotate command, just select this item, click here in the panel rotate, and you can see here there is one line. You can just make it a straight and you can rotate in 90 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. Whatever you want, you can rotate it. Okay. Shortcut of rotate command is RO in the REVIT. Select this, type RO, then this line is activated. You can rotate it. Type RO. Select this item, type RO. See, you can rotate like this. Let us see the rotate command in AutoCAD. Draw one rectangle. Type RO. Select object. Then you can rotate anywhere. Okay, whatever you want. Wherever you want, you can rotate it. One more time, just select the item. Go to your rotate command. Then specify the base point of rotation. Then you can rotate it. The next command is offset command. So in the offset command, the mirror command. Next command is mirror command. To do this mirror of the subject in AutoCAD, just type MI, enter, then select object, enter, specify first point, then second point. Okay, but in the REVIT, you simply select this object. There are two options given here in the REVIT: pick axis and then draw axis. First option is pick axis. I am selecting this option and just select this axis. You can see is mirror. The second option is select this item, draw axis, just draw an axis line where you want to mirror this object. Just simply draw it. See, it's mirror now. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. So I would like to request once again you guys, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share my video. So today we are going to finish and we are going to meet in the next tutorial. So thank you, bye bye.